So viewers, welcome back to our new video, and in this video we are going to discuss about Bitcoin Core Wallet, and today we are going to receive some fund in our Core Wallet. Yes, if you need to deposit in your account, so how can you do? This is so simple and easy. In this video I'm giving to complete information. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So you can see here, if I'm going to click on video option, so you can see I have uploaded almost 9 to 10 videos about Bitcoin Core Wallets. You can just simple open my YouTube channel and watch all videos. Today we are going to discuss how we can deposit amount in our Bitcoin wallet. So let's start. You can see here Bitcoin Core Wallet is open front of me. I'm going to open. You can see here. Now the transaction data is still updating. You can see here 2 years and 41 weeks behind synchronizing data. And if I need to deposit on this wallet, so what will I do? First of all, I need to complete all blockchain data. After that, I can deposit on this wallet, and deposit amount will be shown after complete this blockchain data. But I am giving to information, means I am giving to method how can you deposit if you have already downloaded all blockchain data, because this take almost 6 to 7 days. But I need to cover this tutorial in urgent basis, because I will give you more information in coming videos, how to withdraw amount, how to unlock your wallet. So going to click on hide this option, and now you can see here my wallet is open in front of me and not shown any balance here, because I have not completed my blockchain data. But if I need to deposit amount this wallet, so what will I do? So simple is that I just simple click on receive button, and after that you can see here I have created multiple wallet addresses on this Bitcoin Core wallet. Let's suppose I want to deposit my first wallet. Just simple click on it, double click, and after that you can see here they are shown the QR code and also shown my Bitcoin wallet address. If I'm going to send amount from my mobile to this wallet address, so I just simple scan this QR code and get this BTC address in my mobile. But if I'm going to transfer fund from any wallet or any exchange, so what will I do? I just simple click on copy address and then click on OK button. I just giving two information, and I just give you method how can you deposit amount your Bitcoin Core wallet. Okay, so simple is that I just copy my wallet address and then open my Trust wallet. Let's suppose you have a amount in your Trust wallet. So what will you do? Simple, I'm going to enter my password here. I have entered my password and click on unlock button. And now you can see here that my main wallet is open in front of me. I have also not any balance on this wallet, because this wallet is also on demonstration purpose, so that I have not any balance. But if you use this scenario, which is I'm going to tell you in this video, so you can easily deposit amount your Bitcoin Core wallet. Okay. Now you can see here the main interface is open in front of me. I'm going to click on full screen button. Now you can see here the main wallet is open in front of me. And let's suppose you can see here there's five wallet available: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, Tron. So I need to send money from this wallet to my Bitcoin Core wallet. So I just simple click on this option or this coin, Bitcoin, and you can see here the Bitcoin price is $74,000. So you can see here because the Bitcoin price is $74,530 and almost $1,000 down from yesterday. And now you can see here the Bitcoin wallet is shown here. Let's suppose you have a balance in your Bitcoin wallet. So you just simple click on send button. Click on send button. After that, you can see here type or paste a valid wallet address. So you can also add in a wallet book, your Bitcoin Core wallet address. If you have not, so just simple open Bitcoin Core wallet, double click on it, and just simple copy. And now back to the Trust wallet. Now paste here my wallet address. You can see here my paste wallet address. Before going to send money from this wallet, you must just check first three digits and last three digits. First three digits BC1. Going to cross check. You can see here BC1 and last is CLO. Okay. So going to confirm CLO. You can see here the wallet address is correct. Now going to, let's suppose you have a transfer one Bitcoin from this wallet. Simple click on one. Not have a balance. I have not a balance, so that there is shown the message or warning. If you have balance, you just simple enter amount here, and after that click on preview button. So after preview this transaction, you can check your transaction fee, your wallet address, and after that you just simply click on confirm. When you click on confirm, or after almost uh, 15 to 30 minutes, your fund will be received on your this Bitcoin Core wallet, and your fund will be shown of your overview area. Means you will receive money on this wallet. But keep in your mind, after complete your blockchain data download, then your fund will be shown here. Okay. So simple is that you can easily transfer money from any wallet to your Bitcoin wallet, like your if you have balance in your Binance wallet or any big exchange, you just simple copy wallet address and paste that wallet where you want to send the money. So if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me my email address cryptowalletsinfo at the rate of gmail.com, and you can also comments below this video. I will read your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. So viewers, meet with you in new video. Bye bye.